Hi guys, this is Neelam. Welcome back to my channel. Um, I'm back with another video, another question, and I hope that you like the lights today. I'm loving it. And I wanted to do this question today for you guys, and I think probably you guys might land up finding a message. So, the question that we are doing today is, how does the future look like with your person? All right. So, think about your person, think about the situation, and only then I would advise you to pick up one pile from here. Like, I mean, the future, as in, I'll try to see if you guys will end up being together, if you guys are in separation, how is it going to be. We'll try to see how much information can we get from the cards. I'm using like four decks today, so let's see. All right, and guys, thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and sharing my channel and my videos. It really means a lot. And thank you, all of you, for your emails, for whatever you write to me. It really, really acts as a big motivation, and I am so happy that all of you have questions, because that just makes me, I mean, it's like that teaching angle to it basically. Like, I'm not saying that I'm a teacher, but just in general, it just makes me feel that you're actually trying to understand whatever is coming out, and I'm really happy, and that is my motive, that you get a message and you understand. So I'm really happy about that. And okay, as you can see that there are three piles here as usual. Now think about the question, guys. How does the future look like with your person? Think about the question, think about your person, all right? And then I want you to choose one pile. um, Here we are. Yeah. The timestamps are there in the description. Private reading details are also there in the description. So you can go ahead and choose whichever pile you're attracted to the most. All right. This one is number one. This is the green aventurine. Number two, red jasper. Number three is the amethyst. All right. And now we will see how does the future look like with your person. Okay. Think properly first, whichever pile you want to choose. Go ahead, select, and go to your reading directly. Timestamps are there in the description. Okay, so I'll quickly begin with green aventurine. Just give me a moment. Okay, one second. Let me just fix this beautiful heart that I always like to keep. All right, there we are. Okay, I hope you're able to see it. Yeah. Now, just give me a minute. Before I begin, I just wanted to meditate over the energies. One second. Okay, let's begin. Green aventurine, Four of Cups, Five of Swords, Listen, Perfect Timing. Okay. Quest, be bold and mighty forces will aid you. Take action, good luck favors the brave. Okay, just give me a second. Hmm. Okay, give me a moment. Okay, so pile number one, green aventurine. How does the future look like with your person? Okay, firstly, I feel that your person is in the process of accepting this connection. All right, there is a now I know Four of Cups is usually not looking at it, but then with that I have the listen card. All right. So I think that your person is listening, and I think you are connecting with your person telepathically as well. Okay, like just to understand what they are going through, what are their energies. I think you are listening to that. Okay. Now, having said that, I get the vibe that your person all this while had been okay ignoring this, okay, not ignoring, but then maybe not exactly listening to the universe, listening to the cup of love that was being offered. You see, I mean, I think this is right above the head and crown chakra. So I feel that, somewhere your person knew that it is there, but was not accepting it in the conscious, like on Earth, on 3D. On 3D, they have these three cups which they're very careful about. Now, this could be a lot of things. This could be family, this could be traditions, this could be any energy. One second. Yeah, this could be any energy. All right. Now, I think that finally they are getting into the zone of listening. All right. And the future, how does the future look like? I see them ending a situation, finally having the courage to end this situation of some kind of a deception or some kind of a problem that was going on, some Five of Swords moment that was going on. They're ending this situation because the following card that I have is Quest. Be bold and mighty forces will aid you. Take action, good luck favors the brave. So I think this listening that is happening is in two levels, all right? Now, first level is of understanding that there is a connection in the horizon, which could be you. I think this is you because we're looking at the future of this connection. So this is, they are listening that there is a connection in the horizon and they're getting there, all right? And now they are willing to take this plunge, this quest of being bold and ending this Five of Swords. Okay, this is a lot of courage. If you see this quest card, this is a lot of courage that your person is showing. Okay, and this is coming as a download from the divine to them. All right, they are ending a situation which doesn't serve them any longer, for sure. And it's like a lot of download moments for your person, like they are understanding, they're listening, they are focusing, they're getting the courage, a lot of energy flowing through your person. Now this is because of this card which tells me perfect timing. This is like the justice card for me because it is time. Now look at this hourglass being blessed by the rainbow, by the angels. So I think it's reached the time. Okay, so the future to me, the future as such, I see that first they are having the courage, or I think this could be going on simultaneously. Okay, first they are getting the courage to end this situation, to fight this situation courageously, boldly. Okay, because they're getting some divine downloads to actually do this. Okay, and then I see that they are what should I say, parallelly listening or seeing this cup of love that is coming to them, and the central energy is the perfect timing. Okay, so the future to me looks good. Okay, they are in a process of ending this and understanding this, and the central energy I feel is the divine timing. Timing is playing a very important role here. Okay, and they're doing it very boldly, by the way. They're getting this download, they're doing it boldly, they are moving in the direction of conquering this Five of Swords. Now I don't know what was this Five of Swords moment. It just seems as if the person was is at the center and was being penetrated by a lot of nonsense from everywhere. But this could be deception, this could be lies, this could be people, in fact, okay? Um, Troubling them, and this is, of course, to do with this connection. And now I see them making a very bold move of conquering this energy and also listening to the call of the divine, okay? Because, I mean, look at, oh my god, look at the synchronicity here. This is also in a namaste or this, I don't know, this is called a pranayam pose or something. Yeah. And this is also in the same pose. Like, I don't know what the pose is, but yeah. Both these poses look same, okay? In one card, I don't have the eyes open. In the other one, I do. Okay? So, pretty much, this is an eye opener kind of a thing. They're in the same pose, by the way. Telepathically, they're already opened because I see eyes in green color. So, green pretty much indicates the heart chakra. So, their heart is opening up to this cup of love that is coming their way. Yeah. And they're pretty much, it looks as if they are accepting it, looks as if they are willing to do it. Okay? Yeah. Okay, alright. So that's what I have for pile number one. It's a positive pile. The future to me looks like they accepting this connection, accepting it pretty strong. And it is something to do with timing for sure. Alright? Okay, so guys, do let me know if this resonated with you. And private reading details are there in the description box. So feel free to reach out to me and let me know in your comments if you have some questions, suggestions. I would love to do them for you. And also, please take care of yourself, take care of your health, and I hope all of you out there are doing fine and are safe and trying to be happy and positive. Okay? And I'll move to pile number two. Please take care. Bye. Okay. Pile number two is the red jasper. Alright, just give me a moment. How does the future look like with your person? Okay. Red jasper. Eight of Pentacles. Princess of Pentacles, which is the Page of Pentacles, I think, yeah. Coming together. Big happy changes. Okay. One second, guys. Kindness. Okay. All right. Okay, so pile number two. Just give me a moment. Okay, how does the future look like with your person? Okay, so pile number two, guys, I think that your person wants to meet you. Okay, I'm just picking up that energy. With this coming together card, I feel that they want to meet you. They do want to meet you, um, and I think probably they'll ask you, or they've already asked you. I don't know. They might ask you also very soon. Okay. Now, the future. How does the future look like with your person? Keeping the present scenario in mind, I see them working towards this connection. Okay. I think there is this meeting scenario that they want, of course. I mean, they want to meet you once. And after that, I see some sort of a big change coming in. All right. Some sort of a big, happy change coming in them. And then suddenly I see that they will be willing to work on this connection. Okay. They will be willing to put in the hard work that is required to make this connection manifest. Okay. And there will be, I think that the moment they meet you, or probably when they express this thing that they want to meet you, once they do that, I see that, all of a sudden, there is this very soft side of theirs which is going to come out. Okay. There's this very soft side of them which is going to come out. I see that. All right. Now, having said that, I also sense that I think this connection requires some sort of a very practical planning. All right. And your person will be willing to do that practical planning for you. All right. Um, Firstly, I see that this meeting between the two of you, or this communication exchange, this offer exchange, is going to be a very, very strong point of change in your life. Now, this is like a turning point that I'm seeing. This is like a big, big turning point. Now, big happy changes, one of them, this is the one I feel that this. Sorry, ow, 1 second, guys. Yeah. So, I'm sorry, I just hit my leg. Yeah, I don't know, with pile too. While I was picking the cards, also, I found one, like, the publishing card that I had picked up. So, probably, like, then I again shuffled and I picked up kindness from here. So, that's why I delayed it a bit. Anyways, so I think that what I was saying is that your person, okay, the moment you guys meet or come together, or some sort of this communication that is going to happen, the moment this communication happens, it's like a turning point, it's like a trigger. All right, it's that trigger which is going to change a lot of things. Okay, these are not like two interlinked cards, actually these are two different cards. First, I'm seeing that they are going to become a little determined to work on this. Now, I see this lady painting, so I feel that, they are going to look at various permutation combinations, that what should I do, how should I do, what are the like, how, with these two colors I can do this, with these two colors I can do that. So maybe thinking around those lines, that, okay, let me think of all possible permutation combinations that can help me in this connection. They're going to be very practical about this, by the way. Okay, and overall, I see that in a deeper level, there is a change coming in them. There is a big change coming in them, where they are opening their heart and they're becoming a little more compassionate. Okay, they are starting to become melt down a bit. All right, practically approaching, like they're using both the things, practically approaching this connection as to what should be done, so that, things happen, and, there are no problems, no difficulties. And at the same time, I see them opening up to the universe and becoming a little more kind in their actions. All right, and overall, I see that this is what is triggering this. This is some sort of an offer, I feel. Look at this Princess of Pentacles. There is something good. I don't think it is going to be a very big thing. It's not going to be like, as if, come and marry me, or let's go and get married, or let's have babies. And it's not that big a step, but probably, hey, let's meet. All right, or hey, let's talk, something like that. But small thing causing a huge change. Okay, a very, very big change in your person and overall in this connection. I see you guys coming together. All right. Now, I mean, I feel this is a small thing, and then with the coming together card, I would definitely feel that this is to do with some kind of a meeting happening, and then there are these big happy changes coming in. Okay, your person willing to practically work on this, and actually also I see that there will be suddenly this awakening of love, feelings, emotions in your person, and I see them being ready to explore all the colors of life with this Eight of Pentacles. All the colors, all right, and of course a softer side opening up. So the future to me looks like this, that they are going to put in the effort that is required in this connection for them to take it forward. Okay, it's going to start small but end up very big. All right, I mean, we'll pick up energies as to how much of it can like come out, and so this is what I'm picking up from these cards for you guys, that positive change is coming in very soon in the future. All right, and this will be triggered by probably some sort of a communication or meeting, and then I see them opening up and willing to do things for this connection. Okay, willing, I mean, a strong willingness is something that I'm seeing. All right, so that is what I have for pile number 2, red jasper. Let me know in the comments if this resonated. Also, timestamps are there in the description, so you can. Sorry, I don't know. I'm a little lost with pile 2 today for some reason. Yeah, what I wanted to say was private reading details are there in the description, so you can reach out to me, because I don't know. I mean, I just hit my leg just right now while doing this reading. I just banged it against the chair, and then while I was picking your cards, I landed up picking up something very different. It said magical, so it's the name of the deck. Probably there's a message also there. I don't know. It's called Magical Times. So I don't know. Maybe this meeting is going to be very magical for you guys. All right. Um, Probably, I don't know. I have a feeling that this meeting with you guys, or this offer, is going to just set course for a magical moment in your life, I think. Okay? Alright, bye. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, so here we are. Pile number 3, the amethyst. Okay, I hope you guys can see the cards. Amethyst. Let me just give me a moment, guys. Okay. Seven of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles. Okay, a lot of Pentacles coming out today for some reason. Embrace, Romance. Okay. Creation. Remember, your thoughts shape your future. Your words create today, your choices become your reality. Just give me a second. Hmm. Okay. So for pile number 3, Just a second. Pile number 3. How does the future look like with your person? Okay, I'm picking up a timeline for you guys. 2021 is going to be a very significant year for this connection. Okay, so how does the future look like with your person? Now, firstly, I see that in 2021, okay, there is a cycle. I think all this while, maybe your person wasn't putting the kind of effort that they should, okay, or probably wasn't sure that whether they should put in the effort or not, okay. But now I see by end of this year, I see that they will be suddenly willing to plant the seeds of this connection. Okay, now I see a kind of a romantic awakening in your person. Okay, I see kind of a romantic awakening. Okay, and this is going to lead to them putting in the hard work and the effort that is required to nurture this connection. Okay, um, it's a cycle basically. So the future to me looks like 10 of Pentacles, guys, because I feel that with this awakening, they will be ready to create this future of 10 of Pentacles with you. Completion. I like this is also a cycle. Now look at this 10 of Pentacles, it's also a cycle. So it's like an offer of kind of a happily ever after picture from them towards you. They want to do this. I can see it. It's like remember your thoughts shape your future. Your words create today. Your choices become your reality. This is their choice. This 7 of Pentacles. Now if you see this, they they will be able to see that okay, this connection is giving me what I want. Now let me put in the hard work. I am willing to do this, and this is what they are creating. And this realization or this opening up or this awakening is coming to them because of this timing of sudden awakening towards love and romance. And this is again timing, this is again timing. So I'm picking up the year 2021 to be very significant, very, very significant, where they will be wanting to put in the effort, the hard work to make this connection happen, like in real. All right. Now, I see that with the creation card, I think they are going to probably start to think positively towards this. All this while, probably they were not. But now I see them becoming positive towards this connection. Pretty positive. Okay. And then I see the 10 of Pentacles. Okay. Eventually leading to 10 of Pentacles. The future to me looks as if they are wanting to do this pretty much. I think right now probably they're in a thinking mode, probably in the, they've got that balance with the 6 of Pentacles. Okay, the balance stage has come, and then there is 7 of Pentacles, basically putting in more. So, and I'm seeing them and you, actually both of you, because I have the romance card here, which is an equal give and take. This is reminding me of 2 of Cups for some reason. So I think that it's a two-way traffic that I see, that both of you will be coming to an equal state, and I see you guys investing and thinking about the future of this connection together. So I don't think that you will have to do anything alone now going forward. You don't have to, because they're here pretty much to make sure that this thing happens properly, and they're willing to create it. See, I told you 2021, they will be embracing this from the heart. Look at this artwork. Okay, this is the World card in the traditional tarot. So it's a major arcana, and if you see how this is going full cycle, and suddenly your person has arms open. This person has arms open to the whatever the universe has to offer, and the universe has to offer this romance. Their heart is opening up. All central energies that I'm seeing, the heart is opening up, and they are willing to invest more time and effort, and they are moving towards positivity. more towards positivity and thinking really positively towards this connection, which is a good thing. So the future to me looks like they are going to be taking some sort of action towards taking a leap of faith in this connection, going into the direction of 10 of Pentacles with you. Okay, guys, so that's what I have for pile number 3. I hope that you guys got a message and you got clarity as well. And yeah, take care of yourself whenever you're watching this. And I hope that my readings are giving you some message and clarity that you're looking for. Private reading details are there in the description, so you can reach out to me. And please take care of yourself, take care of your health. Bye.